How are you?
Fine, thank
You're
you.
good? So how's it going?
Well, so far. You can come.
Okay.
Take me to the palace. I can't take this anymore.
What happened, my prince?
Who is that stupid boy that just walked in?
Oh, his name is Udoka. He's the son of the ex-senator that represented the senatorial district for 2 tenures.
Oh, I see. Because he's the son of the ex-senator, does that make him more esteemed than me? The prince of this land, the Igwe's son, the heir apparent to the throne of this great kingdom.
My prince, you know you just came back from abroad. And they don't know you yet. Besides, you're not dressed in your traditional regalia.
For real? So you expected me to dress up in those big regalia? In a cocktail party? Anyway, I don't blame you. I blame my father for asking me to come to this party.
I'm sorry, my prince. I was only trying to explain to you why your presence wasn't noticed. If you are dressed in the traditional regalia, it would have been easier for them to notice you. Yes, my prince. But this party does not call for such attires, my prince.
Take me to the palace at once.
Come. Why you stand now?
Snake for bite me for that side.
Snake.
What is snake? You know where I'm coming from? I have children at home.
Go on. Take a cut this way.
Only that one, how you feel carry?
What is going on here?
Long live the prince.
I said, what is going on here?
My prince, are you saying you are not aware?
Aware of what?
This.
Federal project? Federal Ministry of Culture and Tourism.
Yes, 1,000 capacity event center.
Oh, government is building an event center on my land. I am not aware of it.
Oh, so sorry, my prince. We don't know that you are not aware.
And who is the contractor handling this job?
Senator Ford's son, Udoka.
What? Again? That boy is doing this again. And nobody is aware of it. My father is not aware of it. And I too am not aware of it. You know what? I want this to stop now. Nobody should do any work on this land again.
My prince.
Hey! They should stop that nonsense.
Okay,
Everybody should stop
now
now.
boys, stop.
They should stop this work on this land. Let me go and do my findings.
Okay, my prince.
Brother, you don't look happy. Did you pick up a fight with anyone on the road?
Father, are you aware of any project going on in this land? Some kind of Ministry of Culture and Tourism event going on. Are you aware of it?
Son, the way you walked in here now is the same way Chigozie walked up to me yesterday and told me he saw some boys mounting signposts on the road there. That is saying, talking about a project that will soon take off. It was how I heard of it just yesterday. Just yesterday. So what about it?
This is an insult. Can you imagine? What's insult?
Wait a minute, I need to get something right now. You mean the government brought in a stupid project into this community and nobody deemed it fit to even tell my father the king about it?
That is it, my sister.
Who brought them?
Is it not that stupid boy, the senator's son, that has too much pride? Huh? That boy is beginning to take so much power into his hands, and he doesn't have any regard for this royal family.
Who?
But I am going to show him that he's nobody.
Oh my God. Who is he? Father, who is he?
Anyway, I have already stopped the work.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Son,
Father,
there is no need for that. Allow that work to continue. After all, that is what one of us can do.
No way, Father! No way! That commoner, I mean the bloody son of nobody, has to be taught a lesson. He needs to be taught how to respect and honor instituted authorities.
Father, see, I am not against development coming into our community. It's a beautiful thing, it's a good thing.
Of course.
But he should come through the right channel.
I didn't quite get you on the phone. What did you say?
The prince ordered us to stop work at site.
The prince? Who is the prince?
Prince Uba, the Igwe son.
Did what?
He ordered me and my boys to stop work at site.
On what basis?
That they are not aware of this project.
Who are they?
I think we need to call him to sort things out.
My friend, you better take your boys and go back to the site.
Sir, please, I don't want any trouble. Please.
Now you listen to me. If you're not capable of doing this work, you better state it out. So that we look for someone else who is capable to do this job.
But you know I'm very capable to do the work.
If you're capable of doing the work, then you go back to site. Let me see the food that will come and stop people from working there.
Okay, sir. If you say so.
I said so. Go back to site. Hey, listen. Just do exactly what I asked you to do. Okay? Wait, anymore. Just do it now.
Who was that?
The youth leader.
Very good. Bro, to not listen to what father is saying. That boy is beginning to parade some undue powers. The fact that his father is some stupid senator of whatever republic shouldn't make him think he's someone. He shouldn't think he's better than anyone, because the last time I checked, that idiot is nothing but a bloody commoner, and that is what he will continue to be. We must make him respect royalty. Not just that, and give reference to the throne of our fathers. We can't let him trample on royalty. Never!
That boy has always been a thorn on my flesh. But this time around, I am going to deal with him squarely.
And brother, you've got me 100%.
This is why you made the youth's leader of this community. To protect the peace and ordinances of the ancient Nri kingdom from strangers and vultures who tend to prey on ancient ordinances.
You see, my prince, I have no idea that the king was not told. Yes.
Nobody officially told him anything.
Why would the senator's son act like this? Ordinary cola nut and hot drink just to come and pay an official visit to the king. To inform him about this project. Something that will not cost him anything.
Pride. He has pride. That boy has stepped on my toes. And on the toes of this royal family. He thinks he has pride. Just because his father is an ex-senator. But I am going to show him that I am royalty.
Sure.
And he's just a commoner.
My prince, So, what exactly do you want me to do?
Good question. I want you to organize youth. Go to the site and stop every work going on there. Nobody should work there until the Igwe is formally informed.
Consider it done, my prince.
I trust you. I know what you can do. Okay? Take that money.
The money?
No, the drink. What kind of stupid question is that?
Prince.
Hey, that money is for your transport, for your drink, and for the boys.
My prince. You see why I always talk about you. You will rub you, man. See, Prince, with this one now, you will hear our scores. You will hear our scores.
Youth leader.
My prince.
You may go now.
Thank you.
I'm waiting to hear from you.
You will hear from me, my prince.
You're back. How was your trip?
I thought you said you already ordered those boys to stop work at that site with immediate effect, or did they later come to inform father about the project?
No one came here. Oh, wait. Did the work continue?
Exactly what it looks like. On our way going out, I saw those boys busy clearing the bush. On my way coming back now, I still saw them cleaning up, meaning they walked all through without being stopped by anyone. What is going on?
What? Wait.
Wait. No, the prince is calling me.
Pick the call.
Long live my prince.
Shut up with that, your fake greetings. What is wrong with you?
My prince, why are you sounding like this?
So, after all I told you, and all the money I gave you, you still left those boys at the site. Are you mad?
No. My prince, this is the wrong information. As I was leaving the palace, I went straight to that road. There was no single soul walking on that site.
My friend, shut up and stop lying to me.
My prince, I am not lying to you. I swear with my mother's grave. Why would I lie to you, my prince?
Wait, but someone just told me that those boys walked till this night.
See, my prince, maybe after I've gone home, they later started work there. But let's just say this one happened in ignorance, and which it won't happen again. And okay, see what will happen, my prince. Just go and sleep, relax yourself. Tomorrow morning, the news of our escapades will be the first to wake you up in the morning. Trust me.
Silly.
What did he say? What did the idiot say?
The work won't continue.
Better!
See wahala. As I left the palace, I went straight to that road. There was no single soul on that site. But he's telling me that some people called him that they are working there up to this night.
It's possible.
Possible?
There is every possibility that they came back later in the day. For them to be working till this night.
Yeah, exactly my point.
Okay, see what will happen, please. Let's just put our eyes on the ground tonight. Tomorrow morning, we will storm that site.
Straight up.
We will storm that. In fact, all the possible, we will build our camp there.
Straight up.
Then go believe.
You see, this is the kind of thing Shango likes to hear. Hey.
Please, very important. Very important. I don't like the way...
behind you. Sure.
What is going on?
No more.
Come, make una dey work like human being now. Wetin be all this? Wetin be that?
Oga, we dey work. You see this guy wey sit down here now. Time to collect money, we come drag.
Collect money now, you go for here. Carry dada like person wey miss road.
See, oh boy, you dey give me headache for here, oh. You dey give me headache for here, oh. If you don't work, make you come out for here.
Make I hit that. Now you tell me my hit am. You think hit me for hand. I know they work again. Give me my man.
What thing you don't do when you say, I can't give you money, where you dey go? See, if you don't work, go back to your papa house.
I will carry go the other time. They say go to my master from my own.
Listen to me, you fool. Are you listening to me?
Yes, bro.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, bros.
I want you to go and meet whoever that sent you here. To go and do the needful in the palace. Are you hearing me?
Yes, boss, you go get him.
Are you listening to me? See, we are men of outlive and heritage. I had that responsibility.
At all.
Chacha, go to the palace and do the needful. Let them go and meet you and give him his right. Says by me, the youth leader.
You go get the message.
No,
you go.
Who they follow you? Who they follow you? Guys, no match. No match.
And royal family.
So tell me, just calm down and tell me exactly what happened.
My boys and I were walking this morning. The next thing we saw was men with machetes and other weapons. My boys took off. Unfortunately for me, they descended on me until one of them that calls himself the youth leader asked them to stop and warned me to tell you that the war cannot go on until you go and settle with Igwe.
So the youth leader came with boys to disrupt federal government's project.
Yes.
Eh?
He said the war cannot hold until you go and settle with the king.
It's alright. It's okay, no problem. Go and sort yourself out. Treat yourself. Clean up yourself. You can go.
Oh. My prince. Live long, my prince.
Tell me what I need to hear.
Oh, you've not heard. Like I promised you, my prince. I went there this morning with my boys. Chased away all the workers, leaving a message with the site manager after beating the living daylight out of him. I am sure he will never repeat that place again. He will never venture into that land again. Not after my beating and warnings.
Beautiful. What a good news.
Thank you, my prince.
I am so proud of you and your boys.
Thank you, my prince.
You've done a good job.
Thank you, my prince.
This is so wonderful. Wow. I'm glad to hear that. Okay.
My prince.
Watch out.
Okay, my prince.
Again?
Let me be on my prince.
Go and make merry. Drink up. Catch fun with your boys.
My prince. My prince. My prince with this one. With this one. Again. I will not only be visiting that site. I promise you, we will build our camp there. Oye TC on. Oye TC on.
It's okay. Go and catch fun, eh?
Thank you, my prince.
Enjoy yourself.
My prince, my friends. In on the
Beautiful.
You look happy. What's new?
Yes, I'm so happy. Because you are winning.
Really?
Yes.
Of course. We should always win. Yes. So, hit me with the news.
They left a message with the site manager and warned him seriously never to enter the site again until he comes to do the needful.
Oh my God! This is it. Brother, we are winning. Yes. We've won already. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm so happy. You see that idiot? Whether he likes it or not, this royal throne has been placed far above him. Either he recognizes it and submits to the royal authority, or be forced to do so. Yes.
Let's go and make merry.
Immediately.
And enjoy ourselves.
I'm right behind you, bro! Bro! Oh my God!
This is power to show.
I don't understand. Oh no. Okay, just hold on, Something must be done about that. The Igwe must hear this. You know what? Do not worry yourself. They're going to be released anytime from now. Okay? It's okay.
Bro, what happened?
That boy, that charlatan, Enikompo, went and arrested the youth leader and his executives. They are in the police custody right now.
No bloody way that little man did that. Because if he actually did that, it means the little man have got some guts. Yes. No, instead of him to bend down and do the needful, he's trying to flex some muscles with us. He must be mad. No, he must be mad. No way he did that, bro. As a matter of fact, we need to teach him some serious lessons.
I am going to show him the stuff I'm made of.
What nonsense!
I will squeeze him.
Where is my maid? Where the hell is my phone? Get me my phone now!
Father, I greet you.
What's your son? What's the problem?
Father, the youth went and stopped Doka's boys from working at the site. Instead of the idiot to come and do what he was asked to come and do, he called the police to arrest the youth leader and his executives. That boy does not have any respect for this royal family.
Son, you see, I keep telling you about wisdom. Everything is not by violence. Everything is by wisdom. Wisdom conquers strength. Remember I told you to forget about everything. I told you to allow the sleeping dog lie.
Father, I will not let him be. There is no iota of respect in that boy.
Son, I know.
I am going to show him. Rather, I am going to teach him how to number his days. Yes, whether he likes it or not, we are the first family in this ancient kingdom. And other families are subject to our dynasty.
Let me call it DP.
Those men should be released and fast.
A DPO, can you imagine? The young man has the guts to say that it was the prince that sent them. What nonsense! What nonsense, DPO?
Federal government is doing project for our people, for the betterment of our own people. One idiot, one local priest from nowhere had to tell his boys to stop it. For what, DPO? For what?
Calm down. These things happen everywhere. There's no need for unnecessary war. No need. All you need to do is to get a bottle of gin and 7 kola nuts. Take it. Go and meet the king of this land, Igwe. Discuss this project with him and everything will be well. You people are Igbos. I believe Igbos respect tradition. Please, there's no need for war.
DPO, I owe these people nothing. I owe them nothing, DPO. I knew what I and my father, I knew how we fought to net to bring that project for our people. What stupid idiots now brought bandits, people terrorizing the whole village to go and stop the job. On what ground? I should go and give them kola nut. For what? For what? DPO, listen. You must arrest that idiot that called himself Prince. You must arrest him. You know what is good. You better do it. Arrest him and make sure that you do the justice.
He is your prince, Udoka.
I don't care.
The next king of this land.
That is bullshit. DPO, that is bullshit. See, DPO, I respect your jurisdiction, DPO. And let me tell you, let me be honest with you. If you refuse to do what you're supposed to do, I'll go to state CID to go and get men there. Else, I'll call the IG myself and he will give me men. You see them, they are right from Abuja.
Mister, excuse me, let me take this call. Oh, the king. Hello? Your Highness. Oh, yes. I was about calling you before you just called now, yes. Okay. Yes. My office, yes. Okay, I will be in your palace shortly. You will see me soon. I'll be there. Okay, Your Highness. Thank you, Your Highness. That was the king.
It's none of my business.
Mr. Duka,
whoever that calls you, this is rubbish.
There is no need for this unnecessary war. See, we will settle this issue amicably. Fighting will not do us any good, Mr. Doka. Please understand.
I'm not fighting with anybody. DPO, I am not fighting with anybody. I am doing the right thing. So you better live up to your office or you have me to contend with. I'm done with you. Thank you.
Mr. Doka. Mr. Doka. What is wrong with them? This is becoming a vendetta.
Government and royalty. Government
You're here.
and
Yes. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. My boy. How are you? Okay, I guess you came to see my father. He's upstairs. You can go and see him.
Oh, no, my prince. I'm not his father.
Okay.
I came to see you.
To see me?
Yes.
What for?
My prince, my freedom confronting station.
Oh, DPO. You're actually here to arrest me?
Oh, my prince. That's how you see it? No.
Hey. Listen up. Mr. DPO or whatever God-forsaken name you're called. You have the guts, the silly impetus to walk into my father's palace to arrest who? My brother the prince. The prince of this kingdom. The soon coming king. With his, look at the riffraffs that you brought into my palace. Wow! Mr. DPO, you've got some guts. Yes! Now listen, and listen very, very good. Before I close my eyes and open them, I want you and these bastards you brought in here to disappear at once. Else, you won't like me. You will not. I promise you won't like me.
What is happening here?
Father, can you imagine this idiot? He actually had the guts to walk into this palace with these idiots to arrest my brother.
What? Arrest my son? How? Mr. DPO!
Igwe.
What is it?
Igwe. There are some allegations laid against him that we need to clear up.
Just a little interrogation in our office. That's all. That's all.
Are you stupid? Are you insane?
No.
Were you not the same person, the same DPO I called on phone?
Yes.
So what was our discussion? Did I not tell you that you have been, including you, arrested some of my youths?
Yes.
And what did you say? You promised me you were coming here for us to discuss it.
Of course.
And all you have done now is to come up to arrest my own son, the prince of this great ancient kingdom. Are you mad? Now listen. Listen and listen good. Before I do that thing that is very stupid, that nobody would like to hear, take these fools out of here.
Even with all due respect, I respect your office as the king of this kingdom. I'm just doing my job. After our conversation on the phone, an order from above came up. A call came from above. A superior order came from above.
What stupid superior order? Is that DPO?
And to fulfill all righteousness and clear all doubt, we just need to take your son to the office for the little interrogation. We are not arresting the prince of this kingdom. No.
Now listen. My son is not going anywhere. Have you heard me? My son is not going anywhere. Let heaven fall and tell that order from above to come down on earth. He is not going anywhere.
Father is okay. I will go to the station.
No, son. You won't go anywhere.
Father is okay. Those boys need to be released. I'll go with them.
Obaka, are you for real? Are you sure about this?
I'm very sure.
But it's not necessary, no?
It's okay. Where is your car?
Outside, my prince.
Son.
Father.
Be mindful of yourself.
I will.
Let's go.
Shall we? After me.
You can always call me, right?
I will.
Fine.
With all due respect, whatever issue you have with the senator's son, I want you and I to put an end to it right here in my office. Both of you are supposed to be best of friends, rather you rebel against each other, perpetual enemies. My prince, once the senator's son enters this office, I want to break peace between you and him.
I do not want his peace. You know why?
No.
He is a doubt.
You need his peace, my prince. Yes, you need his peace to take yourself off the mess you've gotten yourself into.
And what mess are you talking about?
Oh, you don't know. You don't know. Okay. One of your boys confessed that you sent them to obstruct the government work. And for doing that, you've taken laws into your hands. And you and I know very well that the law is a respecter of no man. No man.
That's so?
Yes. And really? And I'm glad you know that.
Oh, you're welcome. What is he doing here?
Here we go again.
DPO, this man should be behind the counter. He should be where the criminals and the bandits are being kept. That's where he's supposed to be. Not in DPO's office. Udoka.
Easy.
You, your father, and your entire generation are criminals.
Idiot.
Enough! Easy, gentlemen. This is my office. Let's settle this matter like a gentleman that we are. Remember, peace is golden. He doesn't need peace. He's an animal.
DPO, I don't want any peace. I tell you something, do your job. But let me review something to you. I and my lawyer, we are watching you. We've prepared a petition against you and your station. So, you know what that means? So if you're ready to do your job, do your job. You know what we're talking about? Some idiot obstructing federal government project. I'm not kidding. You know what is good for that young man? Do it. And make sure you do it properly.
Imagine. You don't need to allow me to come and do your job for you.
Imagine
this fool.
I'm done with you people.
Imagine this fool! Animal. My prince. My prince. With all due respect, I have no option than to detain you. Cheryl, Osi. You've heard me well. What the hell are you talking about? I have no option than to detain you. If you want to call your lawyer, call your lawyer right now. I want to do my job. I don't want to lose my job. You want to suffer? I'm sorry. Leave you. Officer! Officer!
No, what are you talking about? This is after 7. After 7 p.m. And my son is yet not back from the police station. Can you imagine? Oh, so this poor man that calls himself DPO tricked me. He deceived me. Took my son away from me here. That they were going to interrogate him and that they will bring him back. So from there, they locked him up. They detained my son in that police station. Eh?
Father, that idiot of a DPO obviously wants to lose his job. Sure. Because if not, what gave him the effrontery to walk into this palace without dog to arrest my brother, the prince of this kingdom? I mean the soon-coming king. He wants to lose his job. That's all.
And I insisted he wouldn't go. I insisted. Well, I have to call the DPO now. I have to call him. Let me know the gods he has to do this thing. Hello, Mr. DPO. Yes, I'm the one calling. What is it? No, I'm asking you. What kind of treachery act is this? So you deceived me and took my son from me. Eh? Only for you to go there and detain my own son, the prince, the future king of this kingdom. Eh? What do you mean by your hands are tied? Are you stupid? Which order from above? These are the things I don't want to hear. Which order from above? Now listen and listen good, DPO. Listen and listen very good. My son is not going to spend his night there in the police station. That is stinky, dirty police cell. Have you heard me? You have heard me clearly. Do your worst, and I will do my own worst at the right time. Thank you very much.
He wants to lose his job, and his job he shall lose. He's mad. Let it be known to him that my brother the prince isn't permitted to spend the night in that their stinking cell. Else, the whole police station shall be brought down in flames tonight. You should not try me.
Calm down, princess. Calm down. But I don't know why this DPO is behaving like this. Does he have any interest in this case?
No! He is dancing to the tune of that stupid boy. The son of the former senator. Yes, he is dancing to his tone. But I will let them know the difference between Egbe and the Egbe. I will teach them a lesson. I don't know why this boy should hate my son. Out of nothing. Other than jealousy. He hates all of us.
An ex-senator's son, for that matter. Not even a sitting senator. Oh my God. It's just jealousy. What else? It's jealousy. But I tell you, his jealousy shall consume him.
Sure.
What do I do now? The Igwe is on my neck. My job is at stake if I fail to carry out my duties judiciously. What do I do? This whole thing is so frustrating.
God, what do I do? I love my job. I love my
This
job.
is power to show. Nothing more. This is power to show.
My princess, look at the time. This is past 10 p.m. 10 at night. Yet my son is not back from the police station. Eh? No, I can't continue to bear this. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Where is the head of the guards? Let him go to my chambers and get those double-barrel guns there. They must go to the police station right now with me.
No. Your Highness, no, you can't do that. I beg of you, you cannot do that, please. No, you can't. You can't go there with guns.
No! What's wrong with you? Do you want my son to sleep there? That stinky place? That dirty police cell? With those common criminals? No, it is not possible, no. We must go there. We must go there.
Father, you know who is right. I would rather go there with the guards. Let me get it right.
Daughter, I want to see the DPO. I want to see that idiot. Let me talk to him eyeball to eyeball. Let me know his reasons why he would come to my own palace, my chambers, to ask me for my son. And I released my son to him, all in the name of arresting my son, locking him up there in the police cell, that stinky place, with common criminals, daughter. Let me talk to him. I want to see him.
Father, I'm going to take care of this. Promise. Be right back.
Your Highness, please calm down. I know you are upset, but two wrongs cannot make a right. There are simple ways of settling such issues without having problems. Senator Fo has been your bosom friend. You can call on him, talk to him. He will talk to his son, and the rest of this case will be settled. Please, Your Highness.
Who are you?
I know you are not blind. You can see we are from the palace. And this is the princess of this kingdom. And I'm ordering you right now to open these gates.
What do you want?
What do I want? Of course, you know that the prince of this land, I mean my brother, has been detained by one of your officers. So open these gates. I want to get inside and see.
Madam, listen carefully. The DPO in charge of your brother's case has gone home. So you have to go back and come back tomorrow morning.
Thunder fire you. As a matter of fact, it's like you people want to see madness. You want me to pull down this station, right? You want me to set it ablaze, right? Open these gates! That idiot detained my brother and had the nerves to go to his house. So he actually wants my brother to pass the night there? No way! Open this gate now. Open this gate. I said, open these gates. Open these gates right now.
Madam, if you don't leave here now, I'll get you arrested for disturbing this place.
You arrest me? You want to arrest me? Oh! The idiot said he wants to arrest me. You want to arrest me? Okay, fine. Open the gate so you can arrest me. No, I've come for you people to arrest me.
I don't have your time.
You don't have my time. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going to? Oh my God. Oh my God. Come back here. gates! I'm not joking! Open these gates! Open these gates, for God's sake! My brother cannot sleep there! He cannot sleep! Oh my God! He cannot sleep! My brother cannot sleep there! Somebody help me! Oh my God! Oh my God! Open these! Open these!
My presence. How did it go?
These officers are evil. I will make their lives miserable. I promise them. I will use everything in my power as a woman to fight them to a standstill for trying to humiliate my brother, the prince of this community. I will make sure they pay. They must pay. Father.
No. Leave him. Let him be, please.
Is he going to pass the night here?
It is better than not sleeping at all. If he eventually wakes up, I'm sure he's not going to sleep again. And he might even decide to go to the police station this night. You know what that means. Please let him be. I am here. I'll watch over him, please.
Past 6. Oh no! Oh no!
Your Highness. Good morning, Your Highness.
No, what's the problem? What is the time? Past 6. Where is my son? Where is Prince Obaka?
Your son.
Don't tell me he slept at the police cell. Don't tell me that. Where is Princess?
She came back last night without the prince.
Without the prince? And you did not wake me?
It was not necessary.
Oh! What insolence! This is the highest humiliation I have ever received in my life. Highest humiliation! What an insult! Hello? Senator Ofo? To hell with your greetings. Keep your dirty greetings to yourself. So your son had the guts to arrest my son. And you heard about it. You kept quiet. He took my son to the police station and locked him up. Detained him. That my son, the prince of this great kingdom. Yes! The prince of this great kingdom. The king to be. Slept with the common criminals in the police cell. And you heard about it and kept quiet. You allowed your son to do this. To do this to me. Ofo. It's alright. One thing is that this is an insult that I will never forget all my life. That is all. Where are the guards? Guards! I must go to the police station with them right now.
No, Your Highness. You wore this cloth all throughout yesterday. You slept with it. At least go in and take your bath. Change the cloth. It will do you good, Your Highness.
Dad, you are up this early. Are you okay?
What is the problem, my son?
Which problem?
With you and the prince.
Oh. Father, nothing.
Don't tell me that.
It's something I can't handle. I can handle it.
Are you ready to tell me what happened?
He sent some boys to stop my workers at the site.
Why?
Because they say I did not officially inform the king that the project is going on.
And that is why you had to arrest him, the policeman, and make sure he sleeps in cell?
He deserves more than that.
Shut up your mouth. That is what I always tell you about pride. Why did you not go to tell the king about the project before kicking off? What will it take from you to pay homage to the royal family? Nothing. But your pride will not let you. Pride goes before a fall. Son, I always tell you this. Now call the DPO and trash that case now. Let him release the prince now. I said now!
Hello. Yeah, DPO. Yeah, this is Sudoka. Yeah, I am no longer interested in that case. Yeah. You can now release the prince and those boys. But before you release them, make sure they sign undertaking that they won't go to that site to disturb anybody. Okay. Thank you.
This is the highest form of humiliation this royal family has ever received. This boy has succeeded in reducing me to nothing less before the people that have me in high esteem. It's better to kill a king than to humiliate him before his subjects. I swear with my blood, Udoka, whatever it will take to revenge for this very act of yours, I will give it. Even if it takes denouncing my royal birthright, I won't look back. I'd rather die than accept this from you, Udoka.
What is it?
Stop doing this now. Stop doing this to me now.
I should stop doing what? Biaudok or whatever they call you. I have told you severally, stay away from me. I don't know exactly what your problem is. Give me kicho.
For once, you've not heard me out. I mean, just listen to me. Even if I was going to vomit nonsense, just hear me out. Yeah?
I should hear you out. Does it look like I have the time to listen to the nonsense you have to say? I want to listen to anything you have to vomit from that mouth of yours. I'm asking you, Udoka, you succeeded in humiliating the prince. Now you are coming after me. Oh, you think I don't know what you want, right? Habumaka, leave me alone. Leave me alone!
I mean, what's that? What has my dealings with Prince got to do with you and I?
Everything. Oga, everything.
I don't understand.
Who will you understand? Is there anything you ever understand? If you people just enter one position, you carry 700 shoulder pad on your shoulder. Acting like you don't know what is happening. Right?
I don't know.
You don't know. Leave me alone. Hapomaka. Leave me alone. Stay away from me. You will go like a blind man.
This is power to